Okay, prostitution, addiction, and violence. Among these three, the first one is prostitution. Okay, the prostitution means involving in sexual activity for the sake of money or for the payment. Or it may sometimes called is the commercial sex or collectively or hooking or that's so it is sexual service, especially it is sexual service है यसलाई हामीले कसरी डिफाइन गर्न सक्छौँ भने यो भनेको एउटा बिजनेस व्यापार हो है यौन व्यापार भन्छ नेपाली सो यसले के गर्छ त भन्दा मान्छेहरूलाई स्पेशली दोज हु आर अनइम्प्लोयमेन्ट नो अनइम्प्लोइड or that poor family background who have poor family background no and like or similar condition or similar circumstance may invite such situation or may force the people to engage in such activity such uh, so people can have the intention to involve in such activity. That's why prostitution is the illegal that is legal work, illegal sex work for the sake of money or for the payment. Okay, they can exchange money with sex. Even there might be male or female. No, sometimes especially male or female are engaging, or that's let's say the young people, especially young people are engaging in this uh, problem due to their poverty, due to their unemployment, no, due to their uneducation, sorry, uneducated mind, or that's illiteracy, no, and many more. That's why we should. This is another social problem, great social problem in our society. So you can copy it. Yes, there is next causes of prostitution. See, here are the causes of prostitution. Number one, poverty, illiteracy, unemployment, gender discrimination, family disharmony. Yes, these are the major causes of prostitution. By these causes, people can engage in such activities. See, poverty and how poverty makes people to engage in prostitution. Especially, um, they do not have enough money for their lifespan. That's why people need to earn money to spend his or her life. Or one should earn money to spend or to fulfill his or her basic demands or basic requirements. That's why people can engage in such activity. And that next one is illiteracy. That is the major causes. People don't know the what are the bad effects of that prostitution. That's at first they engage, then engage, then it is developed as their habit. No, the prostitution is developed as their habit, and then they can engage in such activity. And that is unemployment is absolutely the cause, and gender discrimination, maybe that's family torture, no, then giving, not giving equal priority to son and daughter, right? And that family disharmony. These are the major causes of that um, uh, prostitution. Okay, so here etc. Yes, you wrote.
Yes, sir.
So here are the effects of prostitution. See, physical and mental torture to women. Why? What happened if the people were in prostitution? If what happened if the person engaged in prostitution? See, number one, physical and mental torture to the women, loss of dignity and prestige of the family and community. See, physical and mental torture, especially women may face such problem while they engage, while they in prostitution, and that is loss of dignity and prestige of the family and community. हाम्रो समाज र परिवारको जुन इज्जत प्रतिष्ठा छ त्यो इज्जत प्रतिष्ठा के गर्न सक्छ गुम्न सक्छ है and it may spread sexually transmitted disease like HIV, AIDS, syphilis, gonorrhea, etc. See, these are the sexually transmitted disease. And next one, feeling of inferiority in those who engage in prostitution. That's they can feel or they may feel humiliate. You know, sometimes they may feel humiliate while being in the society. And last one is it is against law, so one should bear legal punishment. You give illegal act, that is legal act and it is against law. So one who engage or involved in such prostitution or such activities should bear legal punishment. These are the effects of prostitution. People must face, if they engage in such activities, they must get punishment. Yes. So these are the effects of prostitution. Now, measures to control prostitution. है यसबाट प्रस्टिट्युसनलाई कसरी समाधान गर्न सकिन्छ भन्ने we will discuss. Okay, and do you know how to overcome or how to elevate such problem from our society? What may be the solution or measures to control prostitution? How can we overcome such problem? Don't know. Anmol?
Sir,
Anmol,
basically said.
Sir,
please tell me any one measures to control prostitution. Anyone?
by providing equal opportunities such as job opportunities, and provided awareness program to all the people living in a society.
Providing free education for these activities
And similarly,
and
Government
okay, I'm asking
victim
Angel. Tell me any one measures to control prostitution. How can we control prostitution Please let me know any one measure.
By providing employment.
And let's forum.
So, uh, formulate effective laws against it.
And Sebak.
Uh,
Sebak.
Government should aware about it,
Yes. And
make
Pimbo.
rule and
Providing education for girls.
Providing education for girls. Please sit properly. Hello. Where you are? And then Atul.
Providing equal opportunities to women in occupation faculties.
And then Puspa. Puspa.
Those people who practice prostitution should be socially boycotted.
Boycotted. Except boycotted, we should aware them. No, awareness is the better option rather than boycotting from our society. Yes, if we can, we should practice. No, okay. So here are some of the measures. Okay, here are some of the measures. See,
Prostitution पैसाको लागि गर्ने
Programs should be launched.
see and copy. Okay.
Right. Should work together.
Okay. Poverty alleviation program should be launched. The as we have read, poverty is the major cause of prostitution. So to control prostitution, first of all, poverty alleviation program should be launched, right? And next one, every sector of the state should work together to fight against these problems. No, then every sectors, NGOs, INGOs, and various organizations like no, who are working to stop or to control this prostitution should work together. And priorities should be given to women, education and employment. महिला सशक्तिकरण, महिला शिक्षा र महिला रोजगारीको लागि के गर्नुपर्छ? The first priority should be given. And similarly, skill-based training should be given to the girls and women. महिला र केटीहरूलाई हैन के गर्नुपर्छ? स्किल बेस्ड ट्रेनिङ शुड बी गिभन. सिपयुक्त तालिमहरू दिनुपर्छ. Okay, so appropriate alternatives should be provided to those who have been engaging in prostitution as occupation. Sorry, effective implementation of laws should be ensured. ओके सो कानुनको के हुनुपर्छ पर्याप्त अर्थात् उपयुक्त प्रयोग हुनुपर्छ र त्यस्तो व्यक्तिहरूलाई दोज हु आर engaging in such activities should legally punished. No, means that effective implementation of laws should be ensured and appropriate alternatives should be provided to those who have been engaging in prostitution as an occupation. जसले पेशाको रूपमा prostitutionलाई लिइरहेका छन् तिनीहरूलाई के गरिनुपर्छ ती व्यक्तिहरूलाई अरु कुनै अल्टरनेटिभहरु एप्रोप्रिएट अल्टरनेटिभहरु दिएर यिनीहरूलाई के गर्न सकिन्छ त भन्दा त्यसको ठाउँमा अरु जबहरु दिएर इंगेज गराउन सकिन्छ by or if it is done then maybe it may be controlled. Okay, see measures to control prostitution. See? And similarly, organizations like Mighty Nepal are established to work against girl trafficking and prostitution. Means various organizations are established nowadays to stop or to alleviate such problem from our society. And then STT, that means what? STT, Human Trafficking and Transportation Control Act. Okay, Human Trafficking and Transportation, STT, stands for Human Trafficking and Transportation Control Act 2064 has been implemented. Okay, this is the law, legal act, and rating is made frequently in the possible areas of prostitution by the government and legal actions are taken against. Okay, अब यसमा के हुन्छ निरन्तर छापा मार्ने हैन भनेको अनुगमनहरु गर्ने कार्य भइरहेको छ. And similarly various awareness programs have been brought to empower women and provide opportunity to them. Okay, this much for today. Okay, this much for today.